Hi, I'm Justin Joyner with Beneteau Powerboats. We're on board a Monte Carlo 6 built by Beneteau. It's a 2020 model year boat that is available for sale. Let's take you through and show you some of the awesome features on board. From the outside, the familiar Monte Carlo design cues are on display. The signature hull and deck windows, not to mention the huge flybridge that carries forward. The Monte Carlo 6 is a Nuvolarian Leonard design that draws on inspiration from the larger Beneteau Group Monte Carlo yachts built in Italy. Unique from most other Monte Carlos, this boat was built in white gel coat as opposed to the cream color that has defined this generation of Monte Carlos in the United States. Notice the nice touch with the teal boot stripe as a nod to the wildly popular aqua blue that was synonymous with the launch of this range of Beneteau yachts. As you move forward in this running shot, you'll notice the plumb bow with sharp entry that not only provides a very unique style, but superb functionality as this 45,000-pound yacht owns the sea. Let's step aboard this yacht, starting with the swim platform that offers some wonderful amenities, including the aft galley with sink and grill, the hydraulic swim platform capable of lifting 770 pounds worth of tender or jet ski. Notice the convenient dinghy chocks built into the swim platform that is also part of this trim package. This boat also has the optional crew quarters on board. It is important to point out that many owners use this area for a wet head for days spent on the water. As we make our way into the cockpit area, notice the substantial hardware, with the optional cockpit table ready to be finished any way you'd like. One standout feature in this cockpit is the concealed electric sunshade. In this space, we will find access to the deep storage and the engine room. This boat is powered by the Cummins QSC 8.3-liter 600 horsepower engines mated to the latest generation of Zeus pod system. Some nice standout features on this boat are the aluminum fuel tanks that hold a total of 580 gallons and the sight gauges offering some redundancy and the closed-loop 72,000 BTU cruise air conditioning and heat system. Before we head inside, we're going to make our way onto the Flybridge, one of the largest in the 60-foot motor yacht category. As we make our way up the stairs, you'll notice this boat has the optional hardtop, now in white. The fabric sunroof brings in as much natural light as you would like. The port side U-shaped seating is great for lounging and conversing. If you're looking for maximum sunlight, the aft deck of this Flybridge offers great space for your time in the sun. As we move forward towards the helm station, on the port side there is seating adjacent to the helm seat. The Flybridge helm offers excellent outward visibility with ergonomic setup for hours seated at this helm station with all controls for your ship systems. From here, you have great views of the forward deck. Notice in the anchor locker, a nice touch is the stainless steel rail to hang dock lines and fenders. As we make our way towards the cockpit, we can fully take in this indoor-outdoor space. To starboard is a U-shaped galley flanked by refrigeration and freezer. The galley is fully equipped with dishwasher and microwave. Notice the Monte Carlo details of the sink faucet. This galley also has the optional wine fridge. This is a French-built boat after all. This boat is built using Beneteau Group's brushed oak Alpi wood, complemented by the optional taupe carpet. As we make our way forward into the forward VIP, notice the luxurious details. Functionality is not sacrificed for the sake of the aesthetic. Now in the midship stateroom, you walk in on the same level, step down one step to maintain a lot of overhead height. You have at least 6 feet 2 inches in this space. Depending on your guest preferences, you have a queen-size bed or you can separate them into 2 single beds. Notice even this stateroom has TV and a Bose sound system. Access to the dayhead is also available via this door. As we make our way into the aft stateroom, overhead height is huge. It is a clever trick boat designers use to enter the aft stateroom at the center and deepest part of the vessel. The payoff here is huge. This full beam aft stateroom takes advantage of the signature Monte Carlo windows to provide massive amounts of natural interior lighting, complemented by direct and indirect lighting. This aft stateroom is accompanied by a separate shower and toilet area to provide maximum functionality. Before we leave this room, a nice special feature on this particular boat is the special factory request teak floor in this aft stateroom. As we make our way to the primary helm station, notice the gaskets around the doors. This is throughout the boat. Also to port is a washer-dryer combo unit, common on most boats in this class, and a very nice feature is this central vacuum system. We finish our tour of this Monte Carlo 6 at the lower primary helm station. The Beneteau helm seat is a statement piece that has functionality built in with chart plotter controls and the Axios joystick control. The Garmin 26-inch screen can be configured into multiple configurations. Plan to spend many hours here where you have access to your Seakeeper 9 controls. Hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of the Monte Carlo 6. It is a 2020 model year boat available for sale. We'll look forward to seeing you on board.